What's up, guys? I'm doing an Ultra Kill tier list thing. Every weapon in the game. Most of them. Yeah. This thing's going in B tier, kinda mid. This is going in S tier, very good for coin. This is going in SS tier, this is going in C tier, this is going in B tier, this is going in A tier. The normal core eject, A tier. This thing I've never used, but I would assume it's gonna be B. Charge is easily S. This is what he normally used instead of the charge. That's going in F, because I love it. This is SS. I would assume this is SS. Regular nail gun. It's going in B. This is going in S. A. C. Charge railgun. A. SS. It's just better. Obviously better. Actually, yeah. SS, it's super underrated. Please use it, guys. S. Rocket launcher. I mean, for other reasons, like besides rocket lighting, it's going in C tier. This thing is easy A tier. I love it for Cerberus. S. D. SS. SS. Actually, no. A. Yeah, that's my weapon tier list by Alex. Shout out to that man. Yeah. Bye.